Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming chocolate type and loading size. You want even pieces so heat transfers predictably. Once the machine reads the target melt temperature, add chocolate slowly into the heated bowl. Stir or run the machine at low shear to avoid air incorporation while it reaches melt set point. If you seed, add measured seed chocolate at the melt temperature and let the crystallization front start. Make sure to monitor the display and note time. This is the first actionable step to get. Once you drop toward crystallization temperature, introduce seed or engage the machine's cooling circuit so beta crystals form. You keep the agitator running at moderate speed, enough to shear chocolate but not create foam, because that mechanical action encourages uniform crystal growth. Make sure to test small dabs on parchment. When a sample sets quickly with a glossy finish and firm snap, you know the temper is established. If it sets dull or soft, continue controlled cooling and gentle agitation until the desired structure appears. You raise the tempered mass to the working temperature and hold it steady while you fill molds, enrobe, or pipe. Work in small batches so the machine recovers temperature quickly. When you must pause, lower the heater slightly rather than turning it off to protect crystal structure. Once finished, cool and purge lines, then clean according to the machine manual. Troubleshooting tip: if bloom or dullness appears, reheat only to melt temp and recede. Do not overheat, because that destroys the beta crystal network you built.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.